Viewers, welcome in Hijazi News Update. I am Badar Rajput. President of Federation of Pakistan Chamber of Commerce and Industry Atif Ikram Sheikh has stated that Pakistan is out to enhance bilateral cooperation with the member states of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. He emphasized that the vast opportunity for cooperation exists among SCO member states in various sectors including energy, trade, investment and infrastructure. He added that member states can achieve milestones of development by increasing connectivity and mutual ties through the platform of Shanghai Cooperation Organization. He expressed these views during the meeting with the Secretary-General of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, Nurlan Yermekbayev, who is on a visit to Pakistan, accompanied by Chairman Capital Office Karim, Aziz Malik, Vice President Tariq, Jadon, Chairman Coordination Malik, Sohail, Amna, Malik and others. The SCO Secretary-General met with the President of Federation of Pakistan Chambers of Commerce and Industry Atif Ikram Sheikh and the business community. During the meeting, discussions were held on increasing trade relations and investment opportunities among the SCO member states. On the occasion of the visit, SCO Secretary-General Nurlan Yermekbayev expressed his gratitude for the warm welcome in Pakistan. He appreciated Pakistan's active role in the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. He stated that SCO member states should work together for the establishment of peace and to lift their people out of poverty. He commended the FPCCI for the successful organization of the Business and Investment Conference. He further added that member states should benefit from each other's experience regarding technology transfer and increasing production. He added the FPCCI to provide suggestion for the improvement of the SCO Business Council. Addressing the gathering on this occasion, President FPCCI Atif Ikram Sheikh said that the Shanghai Cooperation Organization under the relationship of Nurlan Yermekbayev is playing a key role in bringing member states closer. He welcomed Secretary-General SCO Nurlan Yermekbayev on his visit to Pakistan. He reiterated that Pakistan is out to enhance bilateral cooperation with the SCO member state. He mentioned that Pakistan successfully hosted the SCO Business Conference in October 2024 and this conference plays an important role in promoting trade relations among the member states. He emphasized that vast opportunity for cooperation exists in SCO member states in sectors including energy, trade, investment and infrastructure and that member states can achieve milestones of development by increasing connectivity and mutual ties through the SCO platform. Deputy Secretary-General of the SCO Secretariat Sohail stated that the FPCCI should provide a list of major importers and exporters of Pakistan. This list and details will be displayed on the SCO website. He said that these initiatives will facilitate mutual contacts among the business persons of the member states.